Welcome to Texas Honda channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So today I'll be actually installing this that a subscriber sent to me to my P.O. box. It is a gauge pod cluster piece that goes around the gauge cluster. So I'll be able to put my boost gauge on either side and then the AEM gauge on either side, which I don't have the AEM gauge yet, but I will eventually. I just wanted to say thank you to Reedzilla for getting that from Glow Shift and having it sent to my P.O. box. I really appreciate it. If anyone else wants to send me anything, fan mail or things for me to do on the channel, then P.O. box will be on screen and in the description below. But I really appreciate that. But yeah, basically I'm just going to unscrew the one that's in here and that one will be going in its place. I might make another Texas Honda channel sticker and put it on there. I'm not exactly sure yet, but we'll be moving that boost gauge right there. As for the other update, I painted the brakes gold with these white wheels, and I think it turned out really well. I like the gold accent, and when the hood's popped, I'll have the gold valve cover and the gold there. And I'm thinking about painting these gold as well to make it match so it looks a little bit cleaner. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and set this tripod up in the car and I'll install that piece. It's pretty simple to install the cluster pod. You just got two Phillips head screws up here and then it pulls right out. Alright, so this is what it'll look like installed on here. Actually looks pretty sweet. I'm going to run the boost gauge on this side and then the air fuel ratio on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all this and put it over here. So I'm going to get started doing that. I don't want to forget this little piece. It goes right here. So I made this as a funny. I identify as a wideband AEM, so I'm gonna put that in the gauge cluster. Alright, here it is all done. We've got the boost gauge and the AEM wideband, because that's a real wideband, guys. I'm gonna turn the key forward. And you can see that the green light comes on. Change it, all that good stuff. Still works how it should. So nice. As for the front of the car, I'm actually going to be painting this intercooler black. Now I know a lot of people probably already know that painting it black doesn't increase your power, but I'm going to paint it black and put my Moore stencil. I'll put a picture right here so you know what I'm talking about. I did this to my EF hatch and it looked beautiful and I didn't see any performance decreases, so I like how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and do it to this. I actually cut that open if you haven't noticed. But so yeah, I still have a few things to do. We'll be pulling the engine eventually, and we'll also be doing the auto to manual swap. I'm not sure if I want to pull the engine until after I do the auto to manual swap, or if I want to build the internals, put it back in with the auto, and then show you how to do the auto to manual. Because I want to show you the entire process. Not like, oh, the engine's already out, so we're going to do it. I want the engine and everything to be in so I can show you the full detailed process. But yeah, I just figured I'd do this video, give you guys a little update on what's going on. The gold brakes, and painting these gold, I think, because that'll look good. But otherwise, it's coming along pretty well. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a video to watch. And these are like $37 or something like that. Link will be in the description of this exact one from Glow Shift. So if you guys want one for your 96 to 2000, there'll be a link below. So definitely check it out. But I've got to go ahead and get ready to go to Colleen so that I can replace the clutch on this Eclipse. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's more coming on the James D Guy channel. I will be painting that intercooler black and showing you how I do it, and going over all those details. So definitely stay tuned, subscribe to that channel, subscribe to this one if you haven't, and stay tuned for more content. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.